green corner. So in today's video, I'm sharing an idea how to reuse old coffee mugs as a planter. So basically, I'm just decorating them and reusing them to form a nice and pretty planters. So watch the complete video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. If you have any queries, ask me in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer your all questions. All mugs I have collected. Actually, they are belongs to my friend. She is not using them, so I will be reusing them as a planter. About this mug, it have a beautiful print on it, so I guess I will just add a little bit of elements to enhance its beauty. So let's continue. To make a drainage hole in a mug, put some wet cloths in it and insert it vertically down in a container full of water and hammer gently until it forms a hole. For the first planter, I am using jute fabric. Here I am fixing the broken part of the mug using air drying clay. Now all you have to do is stick everything using hot glue gun. For the second planter, I am using some clay and color. For the third one, dried flowers are enough to decorate. For the last one, all you need is a dried grass.